PENGU, which is Pudgy Penguins token, is one of my sleeper picks for 2025, and I'm going to explain why in this video. But before we get into all this, none of this is financial advice. This is all for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not paid by the Pudgy Penguins team in any way, and I am currently invested in PENGU at the making of this video. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ, and I've helped over 1,300 people learn how to trade since 2021. Now, before we get into the website and all that stuff, let's talk about the tokenomics of Pudgy Penguins, or PENGU token. So it's going to be sitting at number 89 on CoinGecko, sitting at about 2 cents, with a market cap of 1.5 billion, a total and max supply of 88 billion, so it's finite, it's deflationary, and the majority of the circulating supply is already out, which is at 62.8 million. So from a dilution perspective, there's not much more dilution that could take place. If you are unfamiliar with Pudgy Penguins, they are probably one of the more popular NFT projects that were released in 2021 and have been building significantly through the bear run going into 2025. The original contract is on the Solana network, but you can also buy it with Ethereum. Now, currently the floor for Pudgy Penguins is at about 18 Ethereum, which is going to be give or take around $500,000 for one Pudgy Penguin on the low end, and some of them are selling for about 400 to 500 ETH. Here's some of the Pudgy Penguins, for example. This one sold for 400 ETH, and in my opinion, Pudgy Penguins could be what Bored Ape Yacht Club was in the last bull run. Now, the website is great, the culture is great, the community is great. There's a lot of marketing behind it. I don't see many reasons why, if and when NFTs take off, that Pudgy Penguins would not do well. And the reason why I like PENGU so much specifically is because of the cost of Pudgy Penguins. If you're a normal person, you want to get access to a Pudgy Penguin and you don't have $500,000, you're either going to have to buy one of the lower tier NFTs or you can buy PENGU tokens. So what that means is that it's going to allow for everyone around the world to take that barrier of entry down, so you don't need to have that much money to get access and exposure to the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem. And I think once people start to realize that, and let's say the Pudgy Penguins floor goes up to, let's say, $1 million, $2 million, $5 million, $10 million, you can imagine how valuable those PENGU tokens are going to be, because people that don't have that kind of money but want exposure are going to get access through PENGU. And I do think that a lot of other NFT projects are going to take suit. I think more NFT projects are going to realize what's happening. Technically speaking, Bored Ape tried to do this with their ape token, but they did it a little bit too late and it fell through the bear run. Whereas Pudgy Penguins is actually timing this correctly so that they're releasing it in the bear run, so when the bull run comes, the thing can go absolutely parabolic. But like any other NFT project, this will be very risky, and it's not something that I would be looking to hold the bag. You really do not want to be someone that gets stuck holding the bag through an NFT, through a bear run with an NFT project, or a token based with an NFT project, because those, you can easily see 85 to 99% losses in a bear run. But all in all, I am bullish on Pudgy Penguins, and from a technical perspective, you're a little bit lower than the actual point of control for volume. So technically speaking, this is a better buying point than the majority of people that were buying into Pudgy Penguins got in at. Now, on the 4 hour, you're just getting into a bullish crossover. You see a bullish pivot signal as well. Which, by the way, if you want to come trade with me, you can go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor and grab a 3-day trial, and you'll be able to get access to everything on our website for 72 hours. I'll tag that link in the video as well as the description if you want to check that out. But at the end of the day, if you look at the CoinGecko page, the high was at about 5 cents, which from even current price, you're looking at just a little bit shy of a 3x move. And then if this wanted to test the all-time high from the MEXC chart, which is going to be at around 9 cents, almost 10 cents, you're looking at just a little bit shy of a 5x move. Then if this wants to pop the top and go to price discovery mode, who knows how high Pudgy Penguins token can actually go. It's all going to be correlated to the NFT market, total market cap in the crypto space, and a lot of other factors. So if you do want to stay up to date with that and with PENGU token, just hit that subscribe or follow button wherever you're watching this video. If you learn anything, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Go check out the EPIQ Trading Floor if you haven't done so already and grab one of those 3-day free trials. There are limited seats available in the EPIQ Trading Floor as well. And I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world.